So, starting from where we have stopped earlier, an upright citadel in the western part was used for constructing buildings of large dimensions, such as granaries, administrative buildings, pillared halls, courtyards, and some of the buildings in the citadel might have been the residence of rulers and aristocrats. So, here we get to see the differentiation between people, uh, aristocrats and normal people. Aristocrats used to live in the citadel, that is the upper portion of the city. However, Indus Valley civilization sites do not have large monumental structures such as temples. This is important to note because here we have to remember that there are no temples. There were figurines of worships like Mother Goddess and bearded priest, but there were no temples as such. So places for rulers, unlike so this is the difference between the Egyptian and Mesopotamian, because Egyptian and Mesopotamian has those structures. The granaries were intelligently designed with strategic air ducts and raised platforms, which helped in storage of grains and protecting them from pests. An important feature of Harappan cities is the prevalence of public bath, and this is an important feature as well, which indicates the importance of ritualistic cleansing in the culture. These baths also had the array of galleries and rooms surrounding it. The most famous example of public bath is the Great Bath in excavated remains of Mohenjo-daro. That there are no cracks or leaks. So this shows the um, their ability to build such structures back then, which has no leaks and cracks. Such is the advancement they had in the um, domain of civil engineering. So we can quote such examples. Leaks in the Great Bath speaks, yeah, there are no cracks and nor leaks in Great Bath speaks volumes about the engineering capabilities. See, of Harappan civilization. In the lower part of the city, one roomed houses have been found, which might have been used as quarters of working class people. Some of the houses have stairs, which indicate they might have been double storied. Most buildings have private wells, and bathrooms are properly ventilated. The most striking feature of Harappan civilization is the advanced drainage system. This is a point to note. Small drains ran from each other and were connected to larger drains running alongside the main roads. So it is a well drained, well planned city. The drains were covered loosely, so they even have the uh, thing in mind that sanitation was important, right? So they have uh, designed their drainage system in such a way that there is no prevalence um, of germs, so that they can keep their surroundings clean. This sense has been there in them, so they have designed it in such a way. Drains were covered, see, drains were covered loosely to allow regular cleansing and maintenance. Okay, yeah, see, there were importance was placed on hygiene, both personal and public, is quite impressive. Presence of wells also been observed at many sites. Many scholars argue that Mesopotamian people of Tigris Valley called Indus Valley Civilization a Meluha. Many Indus Valley seals have been found in Mesopotamia. See, by reading this, we can observe that there has been a trade relationship with people of Indus Valley, with Indus Valley and Mesopotamian. They used to they used to trade. That's why we could find the seals of Indus Valley civilization in Mesopotamia, sculptures of Harappan civilization, and this is also important. We get to see archaeologists have found numerous seals of different shapes, sizes all across the excavation sites. While most seals are square, it was found that triangular, rectangular, and circle seals were also used. Steatite, it's a material, a soft stone found in the riverbeds was although the common material used to make seals, Yet agate, chert, copper, terracotta seals have also been found. Uh, Faience, I guess, I don't know the right pronunciation, faience. Some instances of copper and gold and ivory seals have also been found. I think these are not important, but if you can remember, you can. Most seals have inscription in a pictographic script, yet to be deciphered. And this is important to note that the script of Indus Valley has not yet been deciphered. This is important. So we don't know what the script meant. We just knew the pictographic evidences. We have just found them, but we don't know what they meant. The script was written mostly from right to left, but bidirectional writing style. That is, right to left on one line and left to right on another line has been found. So the script is a bit complicated. So our scientists have not been deciphered. Animal impressions were also there, generally five, which were carved intaglo on surface. The common animal motifs were unicorn, this is important, unicorn, humped bull, rhinoceros, tiger, elephant, buffalo, bison, goat, markhor, ibex, crocodile, etc. However, no evidence of cow. See, these are important. Indus Valley civilization, people of Indus Valley civilization has no evidence of cow has been found on any seal. Generally, the seal had an animal or human figure on one side, an inscription on the other side. Inscriptions on both sides, or inscription on both sides. Some seals had inscription on third side as well. Some seals have imagined animals as such as half man and half animal. Seals were primarily used for commercial purpose and helped in communication. Discovery of various seals in Mesopotamia and various sites in Lothal points to the fact that seals were extensively used for trade. See, I have mentioned it earlier. Some seals with hole some seals with a hole on them have been found on dead bodies. This indicates that they might have used as amulets. Amulet is like a tabis. So, carried on the persons of their owners, probably used as some form of identification. Mathematical images have been also and found on some seals which might have been used for educational purposes as well. Seals with symbol similar to swastik design has also been found. See, there are things which we have to remember, like points. What have been The script has not been deciphered. There is no evidence of cow, and there were figurines like uh, rhinoceros, tiger, um, and elephants, and